Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and getting into accounts. First, make sure the phone is powered on and unlocked, and that you remember the Google account email and password so you can sign out cleanly. Next, open Settings and go to Accounts or Users and Accounts to see linked accounts. Once there, tap the Google account you want to remove. If a screen lock interferes, temporarily set a simple PIN or disable biometric unlock, so the removal proceeds without prompting for credential recovery. Now remove the account itself and clear protections that block a reset. Tap the Google account, then choose Remove Account and confirm. You may need to enter the account password to prove ownership. Also open Security, right arrow Device Admin Apps and disable any admin rights, and turn off Find My Device in Google Settings so factory reset protection won't lock the phone after reset. Once removed, wait a minute and confirm the account no longer appears under Accounts to ensure the next steps will succeed. Proceed with the factory reset after confirming the Google account is gone. Go to Settings, right arrow System, right arrow Reset Options, right arrow Erase All Data, Factory Reset, and follow prompts. Make sure battery is charged and on Wi-Fi if needed. Once done, the device should start fresh without asking for the old Google account. If it still asks for the previous account, you likely missed a removal step. Reconnect that account and remove it properly, or sign into the original Google account to unlock the device, then repeat the reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.